Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix most of the Steam disk write errors easily on Windows 10 or 11 in 2023. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to simply restart the Steam application. Now in order to do this, simply click on the Show Hidden Icons arrow and then right-click the Steam application and select the Exit option. Now what you have to do is simply double-click on Steam to restart the application, and then you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another great solution is to run Steam as an administrator. Now in order to do this, right-click on the Steam icon on your desktop and select the Properties option. In here, in the Steam Properties window, make sure to click on the Compatibility tab, and the last thing you have to do is tick the box next to Run this program as an administrator in the Settings category. Now just click on Apply and OK to save the changes, restart your computer, and then you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to verify the integrity of the game files in the Steam application. Now in order to do this, simply open up the Steam application, then right-click on the problematic game that caused the disk write errors and select the Properties option. Now on the left pane, click on the Local Files category, and then on the right side select the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Now Steam will verify the integrity of your game files, and if it finds anything corrupt, it will make sure to fix them in no time. Then you can restart your application and check if the problem still persists. Next in line, another great solution is to clear the Steam download cache. Now simply open up an instance of your Steam application, then click on the Steam tab in the upper left corner and select the Settings option. In here, on the left pane, click on the Downloads category, and then the last thing you have to do is click on the Clear Download Cache button. And you'll see that once you click on this button, the Steam application will start cleaning the cache, and then you can restart your application and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another great solution is to simply reinstall Steam. To do this, press the Windows button and select the Settings icon, because we have to firstly uninstall the application, and click on Apps on the left pane, and then on the right side select the Installed Apps category. Now in here, just scroll way down until you find the Steam application and make sure to click on the ellipsis next to it, or these three horizontal dots, and select the Uninstall option. This will uninstall the application, and afterwards you can just download Steam once again and reinstall it and check if the problem still persists. And that was it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.